In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import fonts into Pixlr. If you've ever wanted to use a specific font in your designs, but couldn't find it in Pixlr's default list, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the whole process, from opening your project to adding your own custom font, so you can start designing with exactly the style you want. First, go ahead and log into your Pixlr account in your browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option called Pixlr Editor. This is the workspace where you can open and edit your images. Click on Pixlr Editor and then either select an existing image from your files or upload a new one from your computer. After you choose your image, Pixlr will open it directly inside the editor, ready for you to work on. Now that your image is open, we're going to add some text so we can attach our custom font to it. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a toolbar with different icons. Look for the text tool, usually represented by a T symbol, and click on it. With the text tool selected, click anywhere on your image. As soon as you do that, a small pop-up will appear asking if you want to add a text layer. This is Pixlr's way of keeping your text separate from your image background, so it's easy to edit later. Click the Add button in that pop-up. Pixlr will automatically place a text box on your image and you'll be able to type in it. Next, we're going to import your custom font. At the top of the screen, you'll see a bar with options that apply to the text you've just added. Look for the drop-down next to the word Font. Click on that drop-down to open the list of available fonts. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that list and you'll see an option that says Add Local Font. Click on this option. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to where your font file is saved. Make sure your font file is properly installed on your computer and in a format Pixlr supports, such as TTF or OTF. Once you locate your font, click on it to select it, and then press Enter or click Open. Pixlr will automatically import that font and add it to your fonts list. You should now see it appear in the font dropdown, usually grouped with your other fonts. Select your newly added font from the list, and your text box on the image will instantly update to use that font style. And that's it. You've now successfully imported a custom font into Pixlr and applied it to your text.